Hi there, my name is Louise and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited that you're here since this is my first YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I remade this Schiaparelli dress and put a little bit of a twist on it. So I've had this idea for quite some time. The second I saw this dress, I could not tell what was on this cutout. There were embellishments, but I personally thought they looked like duck heads. One friend even said it looked like a whale. I did some digging and apparently they're supposed to look like teeth. But every time I looked at it, I could not help but see Hungry Hungry Hippos. And there was a perfect arena in the cutout. It just had to be. And the reason I wanted to do this dress is that this is very in the essence of Schiaparelli. She was a surrealist fashion designer. She was friends with Dali and did collaborations with him and often incorporated unique things within her garments. She inspired this mentality of uniqueness and experimenting and creating unusual things. So I think this dress kind of fits right in with that. So without further ado, let me show you how I made the Hungry Hungry Hippo dress. I first started with patterning the dress. I traced out my pattern blocks onto pattern paper to create a front and back dress. And here's the sleeve. Here I am on the dress form, pinning the approximate size of the cutout. I then transferred these measurements to my pattern paper. Using this guide, I drew in the hip bows and freehanded the cutout shape around them. I then cut out 2 fronts and 1 back, both on the fold of the fabric, and also 2 sleeves. After all the fabric is cut out, I sew the front 2 pieces together along the cutout edge. I then flip it inside out and press it real nice. I just turned everything inside out and pressed it. Some of it's a little uneven, but that'll be covered up by the hippos. Here I go, sewing up the sides and shoulder seams. Okay, so here is the first try on. I really like how this lays, but the sides are a little bit baggy and it's definitely way too long. Let me add the sleeves. Sleeves are now on and I even put shoulder pads in. Okay, so I just did the side seams and arm adjustments and I absolutely love how it fits right now.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, after a bit of fun, I took apart the hippos to see what the mechanisms look like under the hood. After getting a good look, I used my calipers to get some measurements for my CAD model. Here's my nice CAD model in Onshape. I then printed the parts out on my Creality CR10 3D printer and put them all together. I made a simpler model for the rest of the hippos on the dress and for the earrings. The STL files are up on Thingiverse. For the hippo earrings, link in the description below. To get the same look as the dress, I painted the heads with a gold metallic paint and encrusted the bodies with pearls and small gold beads. This was easily the most time-consuming part. I have a strong appreciation for the craftsmanship and time that goes into couture garments. I designed in holes in the parts so that I can tack each hippo onto the dress with thread. And here's the final look. Oh, they don't hurt. That was fun. Thank you for making it through my project. If you like this, please give me a like below and subscribe, and I will see you on my next project. Okay.